on the back, on the south. So they gather money from, along with foundations that have money for conservation. And for every dollar the Organization for Tropical Studies got, they would probably donate another dollar to them. And they got a whole bunch of money and bought a strip of land all the way to the top. So in my mind, I see like this property is of fetus and maxius is up on top. And this corridor helps animals to migrate back and forth and keep on the interchanging of genes amongst species of plants or animals. There are interesting migrations here. We call them phenological migrations because a tree of the same kind produces fruit this month here at 37 meters, next month at 200 meters. And so animals go along with that. Yeah. Okay. When we have a whole bunch of peccaries in here, the wild boar, then we have also a whole bunch of prints of jaguars or something. But it's interesting how things go up and down. They have been here since 1963.
Is this like a research station?
It's a research station here. So most of the people who are here always are scientists.
So permanent scientists come for 6 months, a year or something?
The average stay of per person is 3 months.
3 months.
But some couples, one couple here has been 25 years or more. Now they administrate projects in here from the distance. Internet. Okay, gracias. I use that thing instead.
Yeah.
And if you see a marimba being played, the marimba has 3 animals included. It's the same species as breadfruit, but this one, oh, this one is breadfruit, yes. This one species makes nuts or nut. Yeah, this one doesn't make nuts. Cocoa is called shade tolerant. Now they put a different shade that doesn't need the shade. Very bad because they're doing that with coffee too in Costa Rica. All your migrant birds that come from the United States to here, for example, which are about 180 species. They came to the coffee plantations and on top there was guava and poro and other trees that fed these creatures. Because if they didn't have fruit, they had bugs for the animals that feed on bugs. And today they came out with new coffee that doesn't have other plants. So now, because Costa Rica has to become neutral carbon or something, with a project they have, now the plantations have been promoted to have trees also, because the better producer or fixer of carbon is forest. Secondly, second grade forest. Third, coffee with trees. Single tree we might have 25 female iguanas.
Yeah?
You should lay about 50 eggs per iguana.
Wow.
50 times 25, you make up the numbers. And they all lay their eggs along the beach where there's sand and leaf litter. Ants and all creatures on Earth, including us today, are very endangered because of the climatological changes might increase the amount of certain species of fungus. In example, one species killing frogs all around the world.
Yeah.
People say it's because climatological change. No, it's not because of that, because the climate becomes proper for the fungus to develop better. And it's a mother, a substitute mother, and it will have it throughout life. And the mothers, they will separate. But if he lost it in that violent way, he's going to stick to that. But mothers have also a great amount of, say, mothers love of them. And my friend Sue, he has spider monkeys, and the baby died for some reason. And then they bury the baby, and the mother monkey comes and tries to find the baby, and what there is a toad, a marine toad, huge marine toad. So she grabs it by the tail and take it up. And the marine toad tried to escape, and he couldn't, nor he was nursed from the mother. And he died, and decayed on her hand. And she never let it go. That's true love. Nature's love. Chestnut, black and amber. Here's the nutmeg that they're feeding off. They feed off the red stuff. So, nutmeg? It's a wild kind of nutmeg. Same genus. This is the husk half a month ago. So birds. About 8 days of no